Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about scrappers. So, what is a scrapper and why we use it? So, basically, a web scrapper is a program that automatically collects information from websites. Normally, if you wanted data from a web page like a product's price, a news headline, or someone's social media post, you have to open the page, read it, and copy paste what you need by hand. A web scraper does all of the task for you automatically. It visits the web page just like a browser would, reads the underlying content, picks out the specific pieces of information you care about, and saves them in a neat, organized format like a spreadsheet or a database. In short, it's like a tireless robot that does the boring copy paste work for you, but across thousands of pages in the time it would take a person to do just one. We use scrappers mainly because they save an enormous amount of time and effort while making data far more useful. They let us gather information at a scale no human could manage manually, and they can run automatically on a schedule. For example, checking competitor prices every morning or monitoring product availability throughout the day, because they turn messy, scattered web page content into clean and structured data. They make it much easier to analyze trends, compare options, and make informed decisions. This is why scrappers are so popular for things like price comparison, market research, gathering social media insights, and building datasets for AI. Now let's see how we can scrap the data. You have to open agent mode in multi-AI chat, then select connectors and choose the scrappers. Let's start with Instagram scrappers. Basically, Instagram scrappers are tools that automatically collect public data from Instagram, such as profile, posts, caption, hashtags, likes, comments, and follow accounts. Instead of manually browsing through accounts and noticing things down, these scrappers gather the information for you and return it in a clean and structured format. They are commonly used for tasks like analyzing social media trends, tracking engagement, researching competitors or influencers, and monitoring brand mentions. So, let's scrap some data and see how this works. Let's search for the latest 5 posts from Netago. Let's scrap 5 recent posts from a profile. So these are the recent posts from the profile. You can have the report too. Let's search for the 3 reels. So these are the recent reels from the profile. Similarly, you can scrap through Instagram hashtag or comments. You can scrap through username, links, or direct post URLs.